Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see player tweaks mod for the Outer Worlds 2, faster movement, XP adjustments, skills per level. Depends on our need. You can use the mod. I show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Scroll down. Here you can able to see the mod details. Go to files. This is a mod collection of gameplay tweaks for the Outer Worlds 2. You can choose how you want the game to feel. These are the movement speed options like 25% faster sprint, walk, crouch and climb, or even 50% faster if you want the game to feel more responsive. There are XP and leveling changes too. You can level up much faster with 10x or 100x reduced XP requirements or lower slower with 25% or 50 extra XP if needed, and choose the mod you need guys. I'm going with the faster leveling 100 times. Select the manual download option, depends on the mod you need, and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And after the download done, click on this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is, then you just need to check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path. In our case, the mods folder is not created. Then you can create it guys. Just copy this text and for example, I'm doing it again. Just right click on in packs folder, right click on blank area and select new and select folder and paste the text we copied and press enter. And now open the mods folder and double click on the mods and just drag and drop all these files, mod files, and we have successfully installed the mod. To confirm that, you can actually see in this website. Go to description and scroll down. Here you can able to see where to unzip the pack files. Right over here, successfully installed the mod, and now you can open the game and enjoy it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.